Hey, David here with DIY Mountain Bike. We're gonna get into opening a big toolbox I got. So I got this on sale from my friends at Amazon. Heavy box. Holy cow. Box in a box. Alright, let's get this second one. So the Bikehand Bike Repair Toolkit. Nice. What I found out when I was doing some investigation on this kit after I got it, it's actually discontinued. So we're going to talk about what is in here real quick, but then I'm going to get into another bike kit that Bikehand has that actually has a torque wrench. Recommended you get a torque wrench, but we'll talk about this in a minute. But my Bikehand YC748. Lots of goodies here. You know what? Let me bring the camera over and the lights over, and we'll do some close-ups, okay? Alright, so what comes in this bike kit? Hey, if you can, DIYmountainbike.com/mountainbiketools. I got a full write-up on the Bikehand Bike Repair Kit that you can buy now. It's actually a little bit better. Comes with a torque wrench. So what do we?
So I'm back. We're going to get into reviewing the Bikehand Bike Repair Toolkit. Comes with a torque wrench and a pile of bits. The popular 5mm. It's a ratchet. Goes both ways, so you can use it to tighten things up. To set the torque, you just twist the handle to the Newton meters you're looking for. Use it just like a wrench. When it's ready, it will click. It'll be an audible click. It'll keep turning if you want to keep tightening. It will. Also look at the chain tool. Really love this guy. With all the different chains that are on the market now, with the 1x systems, 1x10, 1x11, 1x12s, the width of a chain is changing, and you need something that's adjustable like this Bikehand chain breaker. So you can adjust it to fit every side. So it's got I'm going to call it an anvil on one side that you tighten up and put it behind the pin, and then a nice handle to tighten up and push the pin out. So also, once you push that pin out, it will extract the pin with an included tool. So let me show you how that happens. Grab it from the other side, stick it in, and just pull it out. The other one, chain wear indicator. This is kind of a neat tool. It's got it's wearing out soon. So on the 0.75 side, it means it's wearing out soon. On the 0.1 side, it means you need to replace it. Slide it in, drop it in. If it is going in, you need to consider replacing your chain. I'm going to speed things up a little bit here so we can get through all the items. A really nice Allen key set. It's got most of the sizes that you're going to need. Has the kind of ball feature on the bottom, so 6 sizes. A Torx set, really nice, large sizes here. So when you got it, so 9 sizes. Also has a spoke wrench, really kind of cool. Use this to true up your spokes. Has 4 different sizes. Slide it on, turn it, tighten, loosen. Works really simple. Cable cutter, frayed cables, or if you're running cables to brakes, to your derailleurs, it's always good to clip them off. It includes a crimper for putting those ends on, neaten things up. A kind of neat screwdriver, flips standard to Phillips. Just flip that tool around in the handle. hex key wrench. So this is really useful. Also comes with a 1/2-inch adapter to be used on other things. A chain scrubber, dig that gunk out of your chain so it's really narrow, fits in there. Clean and scrub your chain. A chain whip and a cassette remover. So these two items are used to take the rear cassette off of your wheel. You gotta also have a, so here's a demonstrating taking the cassette off. Drop that in, stick your adapter on with that cassette whip, that chain whip. You got a good grip without mucking up your hands, cutting yourself up. Next we'll jump into the crank arm puller. Simple tool. Attach it to your crank arm and it will pull the gear set off of the crank. So neat. You need this if you're going to be swapping out, changing gears. Bottom bracket tool, real popular. There's a lot of different types of bottom brackets. You need a couple different types of bottom bracket tools. So this one is an inside bottom bracket tool. A couple others we'll go through quick. Chain hook. This one's actually a little grabber, so master link grabber. Just pop it in. This little spring chain keeper, right? So if you're working on your chain, it's nice to be able to pull the links together. This allows you to do that. Next up is a dust cap. So on a lot of the new cranks, there's a little low profile dust cap. Just drop this in and pull it out. Bottom bracket tool. A lot of the common bottom brackets now have use this type of wrench. 3 different sizes included on this wrench, so nice and long for some leverage. Chain ring nut. This handy little tool. If you've never tried swapping out your front gears, your big rings, handy. Tire lever set. Did never use these, but they do come in handy. It's like having an extra hand. You can flip these back behind your spoke to hold everything on. Bottom bracket press. So if you need to press in your bearings for your bottom bracket, this is the tool to do it. Grease everything up, stick it through, and then put the bolt through, put a wrench on it, and tighten it up. Use that same 8mm adapter wrench that is used in a lot of the tools. You can see this is a complete kit. And then you also have your puller, so bottom bracket. So you set that in, tap it in, and you can pull out your puller or your bottom bracket. Thanks.